Excel Workshop Session 2. Order of Operations. In this session, we will learn how to use Excel to perform simple calculations. We can enter simple formulas to add, divide, multiply, and subtract two or more numerical values with respect to the order of operations. The order of operations are presented here in this table. Now we need to evaluate the following expressions. Let's start with the first one. Keep it in your mind that in order to create a simple formula in Excel, we type equal sign followed by the constants and operations that we want to use in the calculation. Then we press enter or return in Mac. So let's start with this one now. So again, we will type the equal sign, then 9 minus 3 multiplied by 2. Now in order to type multiplication here in Excel, we type the asterisk. You can find it in your keyboard's number 8 key. And in order to type asterisk, we hold shift along with number 8 key in the keyboard. Multiplied by 2. Now you can press return or enter. So the answer is 3. In the second example, we start again with equal sign and we type the left bracket, then 9 minus 3, close the bracket, again multiplied by 2. Now let's press return or enter. So the answer here is 12. Let's do example 3 now. Start again with equal and then 3 plus, open the left bracket, then 4 plus 2, close the bracket. Now to raise the content in the brackets to the power of 4, we type the caret symbol. You can find it in the keyboard in the number 6 key. So you can hold shift along with the number 6 key in your keyboard to use this symbol. Now type 4 minus 9. Now the division sign in the keyboard can be found in the question mark key. You can use the slash symbol to divide in Excel. So type slash, then 3. Now press return or enter. The answer is 1296. Let's do the fourth one. So it's equal 2 plus 3 plus 4 slash or division, number 2, then press return or enter. Let's continue now. Number 5, start with equal, then the left bracket, 2 plus 3 plus 4, close it, then divide by 3, press enter or return. Let's move now to this question. Find the percent change between 2013 and 2017 for each emirate. As you can see here, we have this table. So first of all, let's find the percent change for Abu Dhabi. As you know, the percent change rule is new minus old over old times 100, which is the change divided by old times 100. So we start with the equal sign, then we open the left bracket, and in Excel, we usually don't type the numbers if we already have them in cells. We only need to click on that cell to copy the number. So again, the new number here is in this cell, which is M21. So we just click on it, then minus. Now click on the cell that has the old value or the old number, which is cell I21. Now close the bracket, divide by, now press again on the cell with the old value, which is I21. Now you can either multiply by 100 here, or you can simply press return, then change the style of the number by clicking the drop down arrow here. So select the cell and click the drop down arrow here, and then select the percentage here. Or you can just click on this shortcut button for the percent style. Now we don't need to repeat this formula for each row. We can simply autofill this cell as I explained in session 1. So just go to the right bottom corner here, and when you get this solid or black cross, click and then drag as many cells as you need. As you can see here, in this cell, which is O25, we are getting this result. And the reason behind that in 2013, for Al Quwain, we don't have a value here. So this is normal. Let's now go and solve question 2. The rule for percentage is part over whole times 100. Now we start with the equal sign and then click on the cell with Abu Dhabi waste value in 2015. So this is the required cell, which is K21. Now divide by the total. Here the total is this number and it's in cell K28. And as I mentioned earlier, we can either multiply by 100 or we can just press enter or return. Then we can just click this cell and here the shortcut button for percentage. So the percent style here. And this is the answer. The answer is 21%. Now let's go to the worksheet activity 1. Let's solve the following questions. Question 1. Create 2 extra sheets, rename and color them as the following. In order to create a new sheet, we can click on this plus button here in the Sheets tab. After that, we can right-click on the new sheet and then select Rename from the pop-up menu. So let's type Gen 110. Now if I want to color this sheet, I need to right click on it again, and then from the pop-up menu I can select the tab color, and let's select the red color here. And of course we can follow the same method in order to create, rename, and color the second worksheet as requested. Now let's do question 2. Color the following range of cells with purple color. Now this is the range that I want to color. Now let's start. We can type here J6 in the name box, and it will be easier to find the location of this cell. Press enter or return. So we can now color the cell using the fill color button here, and we need the purple color. Here you go. Now let's color the next cell here, which is L10. So let's type here L10. Here you go. Now let's color it with purple. Since the colon sign appears between the two cells, this means there is a continuous range of cells starting from J6 to L10. So we can select this continuous range of cells and then color it with purple. Now let's do the second continuous range of cells starting from M4 and ending with O11. So we can type here M4. Let's color it with purple. And O11 here again. Let's type O11. Now let's color it with purple. And again, because the sign here between these two cells is, have a look here, it's the colon sign, which means we have a continuous range of cells starting from M4 and ending with O11. So let's select the first cell and go to the last cell, then color it with purple. Now the last cell is P1, so we can just type P1 and then color it with purple. Now let's do question 3. Sort the data given in column A from smallest to largest. So first of all, select the range of the values here. Then in the Data tab, click Sort command from smallest to largest, which is A to Z. Now you can practice entering simple formulas by doing these examples. And this is the end of today's session.